On behalf of CAFET, representing Abkhazians from Turkey, today I would like to draw the attention of the international community to the human rights violations faced by our relatives and loved ones in our homeland, Abkhazia. Across many countries, document issues in Abkhazia are rejected without consideration. Birth certificates, state records, marriage papers, medical reports, and diplomas are treated as if they do not exist. This practice strips people of legal identity, access to the health care, and the right to education. It violates the most basic commitments of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. These are not distant problems. They affect real lives every day. No political argument can justify these harms. They are violations of human dignity, plain and simple. Freedom of movement is equally denied. Thousands of Abkhazians are trapped within their borders, unable to travel anywhere in the world. Their travel documents are rejected everywhere in Europe. This is a direct and painful breach of Article 13 of the Universal Declaration. We call on all United Nations member states to act, not to take sides, not to make political statements, but to implement practical and humanitarian mechanisms that allow Abkhazians to access basic rights. These mechanisms exist elsewhere. They work, and they save people from needless suffering. Peace, too, requires courage. A lasting peace is impossible without a binding non-use of force agreement between Abkhazia and Georgia. And no dialogue can succeed if Abkhazia is not recognized as a counterpart across the table. This is not politics. This is what meaningful conflict resolution demands, consistent with the principle of self-determination. As Abkhazians from Turkey, our message is urgent and heartfelt. The world has turned away from Abkhazia for too long. Human rights must come before geopolitics, and every person in Abkhazia deserves the same rights and recognition.